So this is a walkthrough of room 2863, which is a Soho Premier King in the New Yorker Tower at New York, Las Vegas. And this is a bit of a smaller room compared to what I usually have. They didn't have the spa suite that I normally get, but I'm not too fussed about that because I never use it anyway, or very rarely. So this bathroom, a lot of this is not upgraded from originally. I think that's the original sink, original toilet, and if you look at the shower, it's a shower tub combo, which isn't the best, but it's perfectly clean. And you've got your toiletries there. But the rest of this room has been renovated. You've got some hooks there for your stuff, a big mirror there. I love the lights and the wallpaper in these rooms. And the hanging space here with the mirrors as well really opens up the room. You've got shed loads of space. And you have a couple of bigger lights in these rooms to the other renovated rooms. I think this is slightly upgraded to the regular King, the Soho Premier King. Another mirror there. Here you have your own fridge, and then your safe and hairdryer in there. Nice big TV and a seating area. We've got a view of T-Mobile. And I have to put on record how fantastic it is as a Brit to get here. It's just about 4 o'clock in the afternoon now. As you can see, the sun's just going down. We've not really had flights that get here in the afternoon for a while. Ever since the Gatwick service has been interrupted with COVID and Virgin and British Airways pretty much decamping to Heathrow, I flew with Norse Airlines. And it's just nice to get here at a reasonable time. So I've got the whole of the early evening and the whole of a proper evening on day one. And I got this offer for 3 nights. Obviously no resort fees because I'm Gold M Life, or MGM Rewards I should say. And I got 450 in free play and 450 in resort credit, which is nice. And as a solo traveller at New York, I always think the food options here are absolutely perfect for me. So I've no doubt I will spend all of that 450. So very pleased with this. It's a nice room, isn't it, when you look at it? Really nice room. Perfect for one. Let's hope the slots are loose. Speak to you in the regular vlog.